Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to all of our hearts' relationships. And who better to guide us on this journey than a seasoned relationship coach, sharing their wisdom on the 6 essential qualities to look for in a partner. We're talking about the ingredients that transform a connection from ordinary to simply wonderful. So grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and get ready to discover what makes a relationship truly special. Quality 1. Someone who loves themselves. You know, I've always said that the most important relationship you'll ever have is the one you have with yourself. And it's so true, especially when it comes to finding a life partner. Because someone who truly loves themselves, who values their own worth, brings a sense of wholeness to a relationship. They're not looking for someone to complete them, they're looking for someone to share their life with. Think about it. When you love yourself, you set healthy boundaries. You know what you deserve. You don't settle for less than respect, kindness, and love. And that self-love, it radiates outward. It creates a space where your partner can also feel loved and accepted for who they truly are. It's not about being perfect, not at all. We all have our flaws, our insecurities, but someone who loves themselves embraces those imperfections. They're on a journey of growth, and that journey becomes even more beautiful when shared with someone who celebrates their strengths and supports their growth. Quality 2. Someone who loves to communicate. Oh, honey, let me tell you, communication is the lifeblood of any relationship. It's the bridge that connects 2 hearts, 2 minds, 2 souls. And I'm not just talking about the weather or what's for dinner. I'm talking about real, honest, heart-to-heart communication. You need a partner who's willing to be vulnerable, to share their fears and dreams, someone who can listen with an open heart without judgment. When you can truly communicate with someone, you create a safe space for intimacy to flourish. You build trust, brick by brick, with every honest conversation. Don't underestimate the power of saying I love you, of expressing appreciation, of simply asking, how was your day? And truly listening to the answer. Because in those everyday moments of connection, that's where love deepens and grows stronger. Quality 3. Someone who loves to grow. Life is a journey of growth, isn't it? We're constantly evolving, learning, expanding our horizons. And in a relationship, you want a partner who's right there alongside you, eager to grow and evolve together. Now, that doesn't mean you have to have all the same interests or goals. In fact, a little bit of difference can be incredibly enriching. But you do need someone who supports your dreams, who encourages you to step outside of your comfort zone, who celebrates your victories and offers a shoulder to lean on during challenges. Think about it. Life throws curveballs, right? Having a partner who's committed to growth means you can face those challenges as a team, knowing you have each other's backs. You become each other's cheerleaders, their confidants, their partners in crime on this incredible journey of life. Quality 4. Someone who loves to laugh. Oh, honey, laughter is the best medicine, isn't it? It lightens the heart, eases tension, and brings joy into even the most ordinary moments. And in a relationship, laughter is pure magic. You want a partner who can make you smile, who can find the humor in everyday situations, who can turn a bad day around with a simple joke or a playful tease. Because life can be challenging, and facing those challenges with a sense of humor makes all the difference. When you can laugh together, you create a bond that's unbreakable. It's about sharing moments of pure joy, of letting go of stress, and simply enjoying each other's company. So, find someone who tickles your funny bone, who makes you laugh until your sides hurt. Trust me, your relationship will be all the richer for it. Quality 5. Someone who loves to be kind. You know, kindness is often overlooked, but it's the foundation of a truly loving relationship. It's about treating each other with respect, empathy, and compassion, even when times are tough. Look for a partner who's kind not just to you, but to everyone around them. To the waiter, to the cashier, to the stranger on the street. Because true kindness comes from within, and it spills over into every aspect of a person's life. It's about small gestures of love, a helping hand, a listening ear, a shoulder to cry on. Kindness is the glue that holds a relationship together through thick and thin. It's about choosing love, even when it's hard. So cherish kindness in your partner, and never take it for granted. It's a precious gift that will enrich your relationship beyond measure. Quality 6. Someone who loves to be loyal. Trust, my dear, is the very foundation of any strong and lasting relationship. And loyalty? Loyalty is the unwavering pillar that supports that trust. You need a partner who's there for you no matter what. Someone who has your back, who's your biggest cheerleader, your confidant, your rock. Loyalty means being faithful, both physically and emotionally. It's about being present, being supportive, being a true partner through life's ups and downs. Now, loyalty isn't just about grand gestures. It's about the everyday choices we make. It's about choosing your partner, even when things get tough. It's about being there for them through thick and thin. Remember, trust is earned over time, through consistent actions and unwavering loyalty. So choose wisely, my dear, and cherish a partner who embodies this invaluable quality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship tips and advice. Remember, finding a partner who embodies these 6 qualities takes time, patience, and an open heart. Don't settle for anything less than a love that uplifts you, supports you, and makes you feel truly seen and cherished. See you in the next video.